Next, try this example. We'll pause the video and try to solve it. So, the answer of this equation is no solution. Because no solution because the absolute value is cannot be equal to a negative, so that our equation is no solution. So this lagi nating tandaan pag ang absolute value is negative, so it has no solution. Kailangan positive ang dito. So cannot be equal. So that's all for today's. Sana may natutunan kayo and thank you.